Welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys a healthy recipe. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to make oatmeal banana muffin. Alright guys, I'll show you guys step by step how to make this healthy muffin for your kids, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel, and you guys can click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Okay guys, and I would like you guys to follow me on social media, my Instagram and my Facebook. I will leave that link in the description box down below. Okay guys, I got like a whole bunch of banana from my family, so I decided to make some banana oatmeal muffin. And in my other video I'll be showing you guys how to make my banana bread, and in my other video I'll be showing you guys how to make my homemade banana ice cream. So look out for 3 banana videos with different recipes. Okay guys, so please watch my ads in my video and enjoy. Let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy. Hey guys, so today we're going to be making some banana oatmeal muffin. So we have some oatmeal here, we have some almond milk, egg, nutmeg, cinnamon powder and baking powder. Over here we have some coconut oil, flour, brown and white sugar mixed together. We have our banana and we have our essence. So let's get started. So we have 3 banana here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mash them up. I'm gonna mash them up just like this until it's soft. So we'll be back. So guys, I finished mixing up my banana here. So I'm gonna pour in my sugar. I'm gonna mix this up until all the sugar combines. And then I'm gonna pour in my eggs. You're gonna mix your eggs now into the sugar and the banana. Just like this for a couple of seconds. So the egg is well mixed up here. So I'm gonna pour in some coconut oil. Just like this. Make sure everything will mix up. And then we're gonna pour in our almond milk. This is a healthy banana oatmeal muffin, guys. Okay? Just like this. So now over here we have our oatmeal and oh my bad, I forgot to put in the essence. So you're gonna put in your essence here and you're gonna mix the essence. I forgot to put it in just now. So we have our oatmeal there. So you're gonna flavor the oatmeal with your nutmeg, cinnamon powder, everything. And use your hands, just like this. And then you're gonna pour in about half a cup of flour, just like this. So now you're gonna mix all of your wet ingredients into the oatmeal batter. All right. Let me get a spoon. Get a spoon here and I'm mixing all the ingredients together. Just like this. Okay guys, so I have my pan here and I'm also going to use the cupcake holders as well. So I'm going to pour in my muffins into the pan here, just like this. Pour in the other one. I'm going to pour all of them inside the pan. I probably might get maybe about 18 muffins with this ingredient. Guys, you need to check in my description box down below for all my measurements and ingredients. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this to bake in the oven now, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just took them out of the oven and I put them in the plate here. So this is how it's looking, my banana oatmeal muffin. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Okay guys, so my oatmeal banana muffins all finished. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So here is my muffin here, so let's taste it. Look at the inside guys. And these muffins, you can have a glass of milk with the muffin as well. This is some delicious muffin guys. You guys really need to try this recipe. My baby already ate about 9 muffins already because he really liked the banana oatmeal muffin. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Let me drink some more milk. And also subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And if you reach at the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Alright, I really appreciate it. So and also guys, please subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. I recently uploaded how to dye your hair at home. Alright guys, so take care and have a blessed day. Bye.